Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Friday. We have rain in the forecast and hopefully we have good offers too. Like this one, $18.33, 44 minutes. It's a little long. I didn't like that, but I love $18. Hi, is that Nikki Uber Eats? Perfect. Thank you, appreciate that. 570C2, thank you. Appreciate it, you too. Both orders are dropped off, $18 in my pocket, and that first order actually had a picture of the house. I talked about it a few videos ago. I don't remember exactly which one. The one that I talked about, new Uber Eats update. I'll link that at the end of the video, but I haven't seen it since that time. That other video was the first drop-off I did, and tonight was the first drop-off. Still don't know too much about it. I hear it happens in other apps based on your comments. No big deal, I'll see if it happens again. But what is happening now is rain. Rain is coming down really, really hard, but I really hope it rains money and offers like this. $9.41, 19 minutes in the rain. Let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats for Holly. Holly? Thank you, appreciate it. Gotta love those easy orders, but the Little Caesar staff was looking at me funny. As soon as I walked in, the guy stared right at my camera, then went over to his manager thinking he's being secretive. All the heads looked over. I don't know if I captured it or not, who knows, but I was expecting a confrontation of some sort, whether they were just gonna say, please don't film in here, something of that nature, but they didn't. They let me record, they gave me my food, off I went. Delivered it, perfect, in the books. We got this one right away, $8.43 for 17 minutes. Easy peasy, let's go to Papa John's. Hi, Uber Eats for Kyle? Kyle. Wonderful, thank you, appreciate it. Delivery for Kyle?
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you, enjoy. It's been about 15 minutes and 6 declines later, we got a good one. $15.26, 27 minutes. It's only one order. Can't wait to grab it. Hi, picking up for Uber Eats, David. Thank you. Is that it? Thank you, appreciate it. So that last drop off took me out of my zone. I knew it when I took it, but I love seeing $15 and it wasn't going to take me too long to get back to where I wanted to be. But then Uber gave me an offer I did not want to take. $9.02, 24 minutes. Did not like it. I don't think there's a tip in there. It actually gave it to me a little earlier for like $8. They've added $1, but I didn't want to take it. But I took it anyway. Why? Because I'm out of my zone. And because I'm out of my zone, I'm going to have to drive that way anyway. The drop off is exactly where I wanted to be, so I don't think I would get anything because I'm kind of in the middle of nowhere. I think this might be the only restaurant. Comment down below, have you ever taken an offer you didn't want to take just because it was going to get you into a better position? I'd love to discuss in the comments. Let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats pickup for German.
It's ready from very long time.
Yeah, I just got it, so maybe I was the only one in this neck of the woods, so. Thank you. Just as I suspected, 902 offer, 902 base pay. Once that guy said that it's been waiting for a while, I knew there was no tip on that. But it got me back into my zone and I was able to get an offer like this. $8, 15 minutes. If it's ready, it should be done in under 10. Love this. Let's go. Is this for Jenna? Yep, perfect it is. Thank you. You too. The non-tippers have come out to play. I've just been declining for the last 15 minutes. Thankfully, this one came in. $9 and a penny, 11 minutes. That should be a quick one. I'm going to grab this one. If you can like and subscribe, that would be awesome. We'll be friends forever. 2260C. Great. Thank you. Appreciate it. Are you Kasha? Okay, awesome. Well, my wife's Polish. I love her anyway. Thanks. Enjoy your dinner. So as it's getting later and later, the bad tips are coming in. I'm declining. But you know what? I think it's been a solid night. I've been out for 3.5 hours. Grand total, $77.46. I love it. I'll take it. It's better than those $60 nights I'd have for 3.5, 4 hours just begging for offers. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you later.